Hi there, so today we're going to talk about why a negative number times a negative number equals a positive number. First, we can think about this using words. We often think of the word not to be a negative word. So for example, I am going to my friend's house would be positive. I am not going to my friend's house would be negative. I am not going to not go to my friend's house, which would be two negatives. So in other words, I am going to my friend's house. It switches it to a positive. So two negatives equals a positive. So the same goes with numbers. It's like inverting the original statement, which would be your two positives, to your two negatives. So we know that the original statement and the contrapositive will have the same outcome, which would be a positive number. First, let's review our multiplication rules. So a positive times a positive equals a positive, and a negative times a negative also equals a positive. And a positive times a negative will equal a negative, and a negative times a positive will also equal a negative. So notice that a positive times a positive equals a positive, and that a negative times a negative equals a positive. This is because they are like signs. Like signs will always equal a positive, while not like signs will always equal a negative no matter what order they are in. So let's break down why a negative times a negative equals a positive and why this works. Okay, so let's try a few number examples now. So we'll start with the positive example. So 6 times 8 is 48. We're going to carry the 4. 9 times 8 is 72, plus 4, which is going to be 76. We'll put a 0 in for our place value holder. And then, so 7 times 6 is 42. We'll carry the 4. So 9 times 7 is 63, plus 4, which is 67. So now we'll add our numbers together. So 8 plus 0 is 8. 6 plus 2 is 8. 7 plus 7 is 14. Carry the 1. And 6 plus 1 is 7. So we get our final answer of 7,488. Okay, so moving on to the negative example. So we'll do the exact same thing. So 6 times 8 is 48. We'll carry the 4. 9 times 8 is 72, plus the 4, so 76. Add in the 0 for our place value holder. 7 times 6 is 42. Carry the 4. 9 times 7 is 63, plus the 4 is 67. We'll add our 2 together again. So we will get 8 plus 0 is 8, 6 plus 2 is 8, 7 plus 7 is 14, carry the 1, 6 plus 1 is 7. So you see that we get the exact same number for both of them, whether it's positive or negative, because we know that a negative times a negative equals a positive. So when doing the second example, using both negative numbers, we can apply the two rules that we just learned and realize that the two negatives will cancel each other out, leaving us with a positive end result.